Oftentimes, when doing quantity takeoffs for landscape plans, we might not want to spend the time individually counting each shrub, but we might rather rely upon what the architect specifies in their label. So I'm going to show you how you do that with LandOne Takeoff. Now, if I want to manually specify how much quantity is here, I'm going to be in my Object Placement tool, and I'm going to double click to place the object. And now when I double click, it gives me a form in order to input the quantity that's here. So I input 60, press enter, and there you have it, 60. And you can see the count is 60 also. Now another way to do this is I could just simply click, I can press escape to enter into selection mode. I can select this object, and now I have the option up here in the top left, details, to specify what that quantity is. So I can type in 60, click update, and you can see it updates it to 60 rather than 1.